build guide for the Repair-Shuttle. It's just a cockpit with a couple engines on the side and little arms up front to fix things. Satellite dish, a shield. You've got a working bay, working docker. It all works. Here's how you do it. So that's Avontech. This is Darkstar. This docker is just a regular docker. Then I use the Star Wars ship mods to get these tiny parts. That's my J-type reactor. Here's N1 grav drive. Here's the N1 cargo, shielded cargo, and it's a lot too. And then here's the N1 fuel. Okay. Now I'll just get these extra cosmetics off. We've got the radiators on the arms. Okay, and then we've got, these are cosmetic as well, but you know, that's what makes it the repair vessel. Avontech, and then these are Hopetech. I'm using easier ship building to snap everything together so easily. And then let's pull one engine off. So they're doubled up. It's two on each side. You can see the underside. This Nova thruster, which is on the outside of the engine, is holding this equipment plate on the inside. So those weapons are hidden there. Here's our gear. Okay, now let me take the cockpit off. You can see that cockpit has a rear entrance. This is the Derretech Kontiki. It requires this window to be here in order for it to snap in that same place as this habitat. The habitat I'm using is Ancient Mariner. Ancient Mariner. Y'all can see that. Underneath is a screen door, one-of-a-kind docker screen door. It's literally called one-of-a-kind ship parts. That's the mod. This window in front is so I can see my captain's chair. Alright, and then the other side is the exact same. Okay, you've got your gear. I want to take these off. I don't need those. And that's it. It's all taken apart right there. Super simple. Alright, let's put it back together. Start with Ancient Mariner 1x1 habitat. You can use any 1x1, but Ancient Mariner habitats are totally empty, and that's why I did that. So nothing would interfere with anything else. Now, we got to put landing gears on it. Darkstar landing gears. Okay, we got to put a window on the front and a window on the back. Alright, y'all with me still? Then, all the weapons are on the same equipment plate. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Now here's the trick, check it out. If you want the engine, see how that's not snapping in place? I can copy it and put it right there. You just leave the bottom one and delete it when you're done. Same thing here, I place it as close as I can to the body, then I highlight with left bumper and press A. And that snaps it onto the engine. Now I should be able to just force this other engine up in place, and now we've got the engines on. I'll put the Nova thrusters on the outside. And that will let me put the weapons, you can see here, on the inside. Grab the other set. Oh yeah, I'll show you how to put multiple weapons on an equipment plate. Alright, and then the arms just snap onto the front here. And then I put this here just for style, make it look more mechanical. Alright. Radiators, the front sides of the arms. Here's the satellite dish from Avontech on the back of the left arm. I got my docker on the top, my shield right there. Alright, now we can put all these pieces. I'll move the shield out of the way so you can see, whoops, where they're going. There's the cargo. Here's the reactor. Here is the grav drive. So check this out. You can put it up to 1 grid space away. And if you highlight your ship and press A, it'll still snap to it. There's the fuel. And then we'll just put that Docker on top. Now there's everything except the cockpit. We take our Derretech Kontiki. That goes here. Highlight the ship and press A. And we're nominal. There's your Repair-Shuttle. Show you guys what the inside looks like. Show you that it is fully functional, completely walkable. Here's the inside. Ancient Mariner habitat fused with the cockpit. You can still access the captain's locker. You can still access the cargo. You can see out the back. You can see out the front. You can access your bay and you can access your Docker. There's 2 chairs and you can access your pilot seat. Fully usable habitat integrated with the cockpit. Technically that is clipping, but nothing's clipped into the habitat except the chairs, but I want those there, so Let's go, let's go. There we go. It's because we're at Jemison, it takes forever to load all the other ships. But here we are, we're in space. Let's take a look at it. There it is in flight. Those landing gears fully retract up into the arms. So we're just a flying cockpit with little clampers and a drill. And there's some weapons on the inside and solar panels to power the thing. Communications dish. There's some weapons. If I stand up, watch what happens. Automatically walks backwards back into the habitat. So you never get stuck up there in a space where you can't access the chair. You can always get back to the habitat, you can always get back to these. So it's a fully usable ship and it's super tiny. But anyways, that's the build guide. Show you guys the ship one more time in 360. There it is, Repair-Shuttle. There's your stats on the left. 8 crew members, 7200 shield, 68 reactor. It's super overpowered, but it's a modded ship, so whatever.